Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up free VPN on this phone. Firstly, open your Play Store and find here Turbo VPN. This is completely free application. Of course, you can buy the premium, but you can use it without premium. Click open, click agree and continue. Click on the cross in the left top corner and cool. Now we can choose the globe on the right top corner, and here you can we can choose the country we want to connect to. For example, if you want to connect to Germany, just click on Germany and choose here free VPN server. Click OK, wait a while, and cool. As you can see, we are successfully connected to VPN. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.